About 2 years ago, we found some pictures online. They showed an old Ford dealership in Germany, but no one knew where it was. Inside, it still held an abandoned stock of brand new 80s Fords. After doing some digging, we found out the pictures were actually taken in 2010, so we weren't sure if those cars were still even there. We got to work tracking this place down. After a lot of work and almost giving up, we had a breakthrough and found the dealer. Looking on Google Earth, we could see what looked like one of the cars inside, but then saw the image was from 2009. So without any more information, we took the trip nearly 1,000 miles from the UK to see what was still there. These photos were taken in 2010 and that's all we've got, so we don't even know if these cars are still there. So we're going to go around the corner now and hopefully we are in the right place. And there they are. So still there, from new, and they do look a bit dusty, are some brand new Fords. You've got a brand new Sierra there. Looks like a base model. It's only got one. It's only got one mirror on it on the driver's side. No hubcaps. This is a brand new car. You can even see underneath, it's still got its labels under it. Mark Ford Orion. We're going to zoom in on this in a minute and get you some zoomed in photos. That's still got all the factory underseal on it. Still got brand new shocks. Original tyres. So we can see there DCL. It's a 1600 diesel. I don't know if I can get right into the back of that laser, but I'll give it a go. Just immaculate. Obviously, this when they were trying to sell it, it's got an Orion sign on the like a side door sticker. So if you were going to buy it, I suppose that would have made you know what the new model was. Brand new exhaust with the extension for the Orion as well, because they're a little bit longer. Still got its plastic on its seats. Try and zoom in for that. Still all brand new. Fiesta's an S. They do look a bit dusty. They look like they haven't been cleaned for a while. There's a sticker on the front there as well. I don't know what that sticker says. And you've got the blue one over in the background. That still has got his wheel trims. That's still got its door protectors on the side door. That would have been from new. And the Escort over in the corner, which is the one I want to try and... It's still got its protectors on the door. Still got its plastic on the seats. So that'd probably be a 1.1 laser or something like that. Wheel trim's missing. They might be in the boot. That is a brand new Mk3 Escort. I don't know if you can see much of the Fiesta from there. Again, that's all factory. Obviously, it's all brand new. It's all as it left the factory. And the same with the estate in the corner. So what have we got? We've got one Sierra estate. I'm going to say these are all 85, 86. I don't know what engine's in the estate. There's no way of me telling. I don't think I can see around the back of that. Let's see if we can see. It's quite close to the wall. You've got Fiesta S, which is not an XR2. And it comes with the seats. I don't know if you can see them, but the seats got all plastic over the seats. Again, all brand new. This has still got its dealership stickers on. This one, so we've got this Sierra in the back. We've got this Fiesta. We've got the red Sierra here. We've got the green Sierra, which has still got its protectors on the doors. And we've got so difficult to get a photo of these. We've got that Mk3 Escort there, which is, I know that's it says laser on the side, but it is a laser. It's a 5-door, still got its protectors on the door. Bit of the radiator there. Yeah, sorry the camera's a bit shaky, but I can't put it on the normal tripod because otherwise you can't see anything because of the glare of the windows. They are all still there in 2023. It's unbelievable. Thanks everyone for watching. Please let us know in the comments if you find anything about these cars. If you've spotted anything that we've missed, please let us know in the comments. And do like and subscribe to our brand new channel for more great content. We've got lots coming up. This one was a particularly difficult video to shoot because of the glass and the glare and the reflections. We hope we've managed to get as much detail of these cars as possible. Thanks for watching.